Torrential slide value equivalent to $20.8698 a coin. The present reach. $20.6521, $21.4867. The earlier day close. $20.8989. The change was 0.0291, 0.14%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $11.34. Most extreme cost $23.97, least cost $10.88. The normal for the month $16.80. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $21.02, change for November 85.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $21.02. Greatest cost $39.24, least cost $17.46. The normal for the month $24.73. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $21.20, change for December 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at $21.20. Most extreme cost $26.31, least cost $21.20. The normal for the month $23.33. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $24.59, change for January 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $24.59. Most extreme cost $24.59, least cost $21.18. The normal for the month $23.28. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $22.77, change for February 7.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WALK 2024. At the outset cost at $22.77. Most extreme cost $22.77, least cost $17.79. The normal for the month $20.62. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $19.13, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $19.13. Greatest cost $20.14, least cost $17.50. The normal for the month $18.90. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $18.82, change for April 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $18.82. Greatest cost $18.82, least cost $16.15. The normal for the month $17.79. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $17.37, change for May 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $17.37. Most extreme cost $17.37, least cost $13.57. The normal for the month $15.73. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $14.59, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $14.59. Greatest cost $15.07, least cost $13.09. The normal for the month $14.21. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $14.08, change for July 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset cost at $14.08. Most extreme cost $15.65, least cost $13.61. The normal for the month $14.49. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $14.63, change for August 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $14.63. Most extreme cost $14.63, least cost $11.80. The normal for the month $13.44. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $12.69, change for September 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $12.69. Greatest cost $15.75, least cost $12.69. The normal for the month $13.96. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $14.72, change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at $14.72. Greatest cost $14.72, least cost $11.49. The normal for the month $13.32. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.36, change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $6.70. Most extreme cost $6.96, least cost $6.05. The normal for the month $6.55. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.50, change for January 3.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with, cost at $6.50. Greatest cost $8.07, least cost $6.50. The normal for the month $7.15. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $7.54, change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2026. Before all else, cost at $7.54. Most extreme cost $9.36, least cost $7.54. The normal for the month $8.30. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $8.75, change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Initially cost at $8.75. Most extreme cost $10.59, least cost $8.75. The normal for the month $9.50. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.90, change for April 13.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else, cost at $9.90. Most extreme cost $9.90, least cost $7.74. The normal for the month $8.97. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $8.32, change for May 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. In the first place, cost at $8.32. Greatest cost $8.32, least cost $6.50.